Meet Bob, an IT project manager with a tough assignment. He's in charge of planning and implementing IT equipment and cabling for a new hospital, tackling a series of challenges along the way. Bob grapples with the complexity of hospital infrastructure, diverse IT needs across various departments, and the critical nature of healthcare IT systems. Scalability is a major concern, as the hospital's IT infrastructure must seamlessly adapt to evolving patient demands without costly reconfigurations. Due to these challenges, Bob needs a software solution that can comprehensively outline every aspect of his IT equipment planning process. A solution like Xyicon. Xyicon offers a unified environment that consolidates the depth of data traditionally scattered across spreadsheets and visually marked floor plans. It enables users to pinpoint the precise location of each piece of equipment, devise optimal software installation plans, and ensure seamless connectivity throughout the hospital well before the procurement stages begin. With multiple stakeholders involved, Bob requires a solution that allows him to effectively communicate and showcase the planned equipment and software installations. For instance, Dr. Chang needs clarity on nurse call options in examining rooms, and the lab director requires information on the number of label printers for specimen labeling. These decisions cannot rely on isolated data in spreadsheets or notes made on a PDF floor plan. Mistakes could result in costly change requests and project delays. Bob needs a unified platform, a single source of truth to streamline his planning process. Xyicon offers an intuitive interface to plan port connections, equipment details, and room costs, while generating detailed reports for procurement and deployment. With Xyicon, Bob can seamlessly plan IT equipment and cabling, ensure precision, compliance, and scalability, all within one streamlined platform.